Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Opera GX on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download the gaming browser Opera GX on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go on to Opera GX. Click onto this first link from opera.com. Click download Opera GX here and then click start download on here. Wait for it to complete downloading. And after that, open it up. Click accept and install here. Click accept as well here. Wait for it to download the files that it needs to work correctly. And there you have it. Now you successfully downloaded Opera GX on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.